Welcome to the Nissan family, and congratulations on the purchase of your new vehicle. When it comes time for maintenance, there's no better option than to bring your vehicle home to United Nissan Reno. Because we have the latest in technology, equipment, and facilities. While you're here, you can expect a professional, efficient, and exceptional service visit. We have not one, but 4 factory-trained master technicians with over 16 years of experience working right here at United Nissan Reno. Leading the team, they will ensure your vehicle's needs are truly looked after. We maintain a large stock of genuine Nissan parts and accessories to ensure that your Nissan stays a Nissan and your service moves as quickly as possible. At United Nissan Reno, your vehicle's first oil change is complimentary. All its fluids are topped off, and you receive a complimentary car wash voucher with each service visit. Your vehicle undergoes a multi-point inspection and is checked for the latest software, outstanding recalls, and any other recommended parts and services. When it comes time for service, you can conveniently book your appointment using your mobile phone, anytime, anywhere. For more simple maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and flat repairs, take advantage of our express service where no appointments are necessary. Simply pull up anytime, make use of our waiting area, and have your keys back in 1 hour. Our service hours are 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday. If you need to drop off your car after hours, take advantage of our night drop box, and your car will be handled the next day. When you come to United Nissan Reno, you can be sure your vehicle is maintained and serviced correctly the first time. Don't open your hood to strangers. Come to United Nissan Reno. We are ready to help you with your service needs.